Welcome to the latest addition to Warner's Lake, O'Hanlon's Nude Beach.
The only nude colony in Warner's Lake.
Mary, why don't I just run up and get
The latest restroom facilities.
diaper?
Patty, how much is the jackpot? How many hundreds of dollars are we going to have today?
It's going to be at least $1,000 jackpot.
Unbelievable. You don't find 50-50s like this at Thompson's Lake, do you? No.
How much are they? 50.
Here we are back again. Now, what are we up to now, Patty?
We're up to 109,233.
It's a $109,000 jackpot, I might understand. Is that correct? What a lake. What a lake association.
I mean, this is going to be wonderful. You'll be able to retire.
They're now drawing for the Helderberg chair. We're drawing tickets for the Helderberg chair. We're now drawing tickets for the Helderberg chair.
Is this the Billy Graham crusade?
Orange tickets to see it. Bernie will deliver the chair free any place in the continental United States.
Does it have a warranty with it?
10-minute warranty.
Yes, perfect. You're relatively
Lori Foster was the winner of the chair.
No. Now, we don't know her. She's not here. Draw again. No. We won't tell her. Very fast. You got more than one chair, Bernie? You better have. I'm your little Jello monster.
Karen's favorite contact.
Amazing how much you can pick up with that thumb. Look at that.
Go sit at that table over there next to that kid.
The rules are simple. Eat all the Jello, and you cannot use your hands.
Oh, boo! How about refill?
Everybody ready? Get set. Eat.
Yeah, get it.
Jacket, I need Jello. I'm concerned.
Hey, Chris.
That's time for third here.
Get a picture of that space.
Who's the winner?
This space over here.
25 cents.
Young girl over here.
Who won, Bob? What's going on?
I got my table. I
So we got to start over again. Here's the plate. Now it is. You just want a little?
Get down. He wants to take a picture.
The jello-eating king of Warner's Place.
Well, we do it this way. He's got a cleaner plate than you got.
Okay.
Mommy, what about me? She came in second. I saw her.
I thought he was second.
They both tied for second. Wait a minute,
Oh, they're going to have to do it again.
Mike. You know my mom is?
Doors first here. On the other table.
Tyler. All right.
Jello-eating king of Warner's Place.
Yeah.
Nice round of applause.
List here.
What? Sarah. You got a plug over there.
109, 257, $75.
Maybe no one got it.
Nobody's got it.
Maybe they left.
No one's got it. Draw it again. There you left. Draw it again.
They were playing horseshoes.
No, they probably already left. They left. They left, Bernie. Draw again.
What's your number?
Boy, was that quick.
109. It's wow.
I like this kind of drawing.
6, 7. Who got it? Somebody got it?
We got somebody up there.
Someone has it. Oh, how's it?
And the winner is John Max. John's buying the next round of beers for everybody.
Hey, help me.
Count it out. 20. 60.
Didn't win again, though.
Hey! Some people in high up positions in the Warners Lake Improvement Association like to pick the easy shift.
Yes. Oh, yeah, the easy shift.
That's right.
From 5 to 7. Yeah.
Let's see, who's left now?
With chili on our hamburger.
Who's left now? There's you, and I think that's the only people who are left now, isn't it? But
You and you and you.
Okay, Mike, keep it up.
yet you're cooking. Uh-huh, okay. Drinking on the job.
This is for the January thaw, right?
That's right, that's right. We want to...
Brings us out to January. We can remember.
Broiling. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. Remember how damn hot this fire was.
Oh, yes. It is very hot.
Thank God they're okay.
Looks like all the
Hello.
now. Yeah, let's get the guy with the camera. Get him wet, huh? We'll get like...
You know, I've been searching high and low for somebody to just tell me just what the hell is going on around this lake anyway.
Well, you have a situation here. You're getting your basic raw sewage here. You're getting basic raw sewage there. You're getting basic raw sewage here. This dam is not Mr. Sewage himself.
Would you want a beer?
What are you going to thank you? And then you have that end, which is really worse, which is directly opposite of this end. Thank you.
And you were right, the worst end.
No, that end is directly opposite of this end.
Oh, okay.
And this end is directly opposite of that end.
And
And same goes for either side. Like a neat place to be, and I got something for sale.
Excuse me, are you Ted Koppel?
I have furniture, and we have. Thank you.
Is it Ted Koppel? Or...
And we have. And we have the other stuff down there. Yes.
Dan Rather? What about you, Dan? Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh.
Oh, there we go. Now we got one. Oh, it says record.
The light should be.
That says she's not an alcoholic. However, I think with the 6 beers in her hand...
Is this the official Warner's Lake party tape?
Party tape, yeah.
This thing, eins, zwei,
Pat, how many beers do you have in your hand?
Enough.
Would you care to comment?
This is the problem. Break our poster job.
This is it. I can't get this. Actually, I was doing this because of the neat logos on the mugs.
That's true. We do have very neat logos on the mugs.
Very professionally done.
And the man who designed the logo is with us today.
No, you designed it. I did it.
Oh, that's true.
You just here. Turn it on yourself. There you go. Professionally done.
Excuse me. Whose camera is this, by the way?
I have no idea.
I hope I'm not going to get in trouble for this.
What's going on? You gotta dance now to get a beer, it looks like. Go get the white.
And here's Noel Jones, the chairperson of the picnic. Noel, would you care to comment on the success of this afternoon?
Oh, it was just so wonderful. Just a fantastic turnout.
And how do you think the weather had a bearing on this afternoon's celebration?
Oh, the weather just turned out just perfect.
Uh-huh. And how did you manage to have such nice weather on this particular day?
Do you have shoes to go in the porta potty? Is it kind of rude in there? Or
It's rude in there.
is it? I guess it's go in the lake.
It's fine.
Or your house.
You go in the
There's nothing else. What did you say about it? You can go in.
Like you have it, huh?
Never.
Okay, well... Bob, as the past chairperson, what do you think of today's picnic?
I think that the people that were the chair people did an excellent job, and I would nominate them for next year's...
Here's your $20, Bob.
Thank you. I will take that.
There has never been a better picnic. Chair people did an excellent job. I would hate to see them.
I'm glad I got this on tape. I'll write you the check out later.
I will second the motion to have them chair people next year.
Wait, I can't afford that much. Mr. Nagengas, we have a report that you want to be in charge of adult games at next year's picnic.
Games. Yeah, he wanted adult movies.
Well, we could have that.
Adult movies, right.
Bring the cards, right?
Bernie owns all the Black Sox in the lake. Not me, brother.
Well, Bernie,
That's for the younger fellas.
would you care to comment on today's picnic?
I think it was a fantastic party. You stand up straight, Wait a minute, what is the drawing? Did you have a drawing? Is all over, yeah? I didn't get through the single. 75 hours.
And Bernie was generous enough to donate one of his Helderberg chairs.
Won the chair. John Mott won $75.
And here we go. This will be a great 911 shot. Children drowning. You notice there was 5 out there a minute ago. And here we have the worm's eye view.
You look like a fool down there.
Would you care to comment on the weather today?
You look like you should never do this again. Ever.
I'll say to the cooks over here.
No, get a good shot of the...
Bernie, you weren't cooking. What are you doing behind there? There's one of our great cooks.
Get a good view of his wiener.
Last call from the cooks, we quit.
And Willard was one of the die-hard cooks. He was up there, one of the longest ones.
That's it.
The last hot dog. We'll get a zoom in on
Been
this.
there since about 4 o'clock.
Why haven't you eaten it yet?
I don't like hot dogs. Waiting when they're good. Help yourself.
Oh, and we have the Porta Johns. This is the first year that we've had the Porta Johns. Well, we want to get the Porta Johns. They cost so much.